Hi, so I lead the research at Qualcomm on security of connected and automated vehicle, and I'd like to pitch you an idea today. It's the security of machine learning benchmark. So currently, if that works, how do we benchmark AI currently? And the answer is, why it's not doing what I want. Here you go. Thank you. So the way we're doing is SMLPef. So SMLPef is built by ML Commons. ML Commons is a global community based on industry and also academia, all building to build benchmark, data set, and best practices. It is really important by industry to use SMLPef to compare AI systems. And SMLPef, so it's providing this benchmark. Really important that everyone has a clear objective. So what does it look like? What do you benchmark with SMLPef? Many things. First, you have inferences. You also have training, but also for mobile, algorithmic performance, and more recently, automotive. So we have a benchmarking for automotive, and I will talk more about it. So as an example, when you look at inferences, you will have different tasks. So for example, classification and detection of objects are being compared. It gives you also a model, a data set that goes with it. And it is used by industry to compare solutions. And you can see at the bottom, for example, the Qualcomm solution and the Samsung solution, being able to compare frame per second, latency, and industry uses that to really compare and win designs. So in this case, Qualcomm wins. So perfect, we have this, but as mentioned, there is one for automotive now, and I think that's something that you'll be interested in. So AVCC and ML Commons are teaming up to build this automotive benchmark. And there's a task force that just started. Last week was the first meeting. I invite everyone to join if you're interested to build this. The idea is by the end of 2024, we'll have an automotive benchmark. So really exciting to see that. Great. So this is for AI, but how do we compare or assess security of AI? And this is where I propose that we build a security SMLPef. So SMLPef, do you pass the smell test? That's my joke. And so what we're going to do here is, let me show you a very, very preliminary methodology about how do we build a benchmark. It's just really important. So I propose that we start with the application profile. So what are we looking here? What is the domain? And I give you an example. So for example, we say automotive domain. We want to do perception. That's my task. I want to do object detection. And I will be doing that using a camera. From the application profile, we derive the attack profiles that says, what is the objective of the attack? And in this case, this could be, I want to perform an evasion by removing bounding box using a patch of a size of less than 5%. And of course, you will have multiple attack profiles for each of those applications. As soon as you have this, now you know what we're testing your model on. You still need metrics. And here is a wide range of metrics you could be using. And as an example, it could be just observing the MAP degradation or the MAST, the minimum attack on transformation. But with this, as I mentioned, you have a benchmark, you need to provide data set. And that would be a data set on that visual perturbation. So following my example could be, we're going to provide a data set of traffic signs, so stop sign being with patches on, will be our data set. So with this, you see that there's a lot of questions to be still answered, but SMLPef and security benchmark is really important for our industry, and having a security benchmark will help building security as a differentiator, but also the guiding the AI regulation that are coming up and standardization. It will help driving those policies. But where do we start? I think there is this adversarial robustness toolbox that I would recommend to look at to already provide metrics, 29 or 39 attacks. So I think it's a good place to start using this to build in our security SMLPef. So I invite everyone to help us out building this. Thank you.